The 2025 SEMA show at Las Vegas attracted 153,000 attendees from 140 countries and regions. There were 2,300 exhibiting brands, 2,500 members of the global media, myself included among the American journalists. I've personally witnessed tremendous growth since first attending the SEMA show in the 1980s. Lifted trucks of all heights abounded. Some are eye candy, others are fully functional and used off-road. Builders have no shortage of imagination. Everything from vintage power wagons to the latest vehicles have been modified and customized. The 6.4-liter Hemi-powered Power Wagon sits alongside a 24-valve 5.9-liter Cummins-powered Power Wagon. Desert Power Wagons built each of these vehicles, and they were head-turners. On the showroom floor, my mission turned to utility and the 4WD mechanics needs. Here, our friends at Gaither Tool shared the latest in the Gaither Tool lineup.
Hi there, my name is William Brailer, and I'm here at the Gaither Tool booth, showing off some of our new products we have here. Two things we have right here is an upgraded version of our 38-liter bead booster, now with an improved and enlarged 3-inch valve, giving us a little bit more power for this very popular bead seeder. On top of that, we also have our Bead Bazooka service holster here. This is a mount meant to go directly on a service vehicle to make sure that you have your Bead Bazooka bead seeder.
Gaither Tools has a full line of niche service tools for the tire industry. The 4WD Mechanics Shop features many of these tools. I always pack a track jack for any trip. The Wintec tire dolly was the first purchase of Gaither Tools for our shop. When Gaither says commercial, they mean it. Look at the stamina of these jack stands and the lift. Track often partners with Gaither Tools. At the track booth, Kevin Robinson walks us through his products.
This is a support arm for safety. You would roll this cart underneath, crank it up to support the weight of the tire. These lug nuts here, if you have your gun, you just do this and put them in the tray. So here's an elongated tray. It can hold 8 lugs for an 8-lug wheel, no problem. Again, you crank it up to support the tire. When you go to put it back on, you can just easily rotate the tire, get it to line up. You would push it back on, bolt it on, and then you just drop the top cradle out of the way. This right here is just a tie down. In case somebody hits it, it's not going to fall off. By design, this thing can rotate and pivot. If you do notice, this roller sits a little higher than the edge. So if you have a wide series wheel, that's not a problem. You can have it out here. It'll still rotate at index wherever you need it. If you're a detailer and you need to, be high in detailing, you can get into every nook and cranny of the wheel easily and still rotate it. And then to get it to stop spinning, what you do is you just pull up on it and it locks the whole top in place. It's a real simple product. This won us the New Product Award in 2019. We made it universal to mount to any kind of molded panel or just screwed into the wall. Here's the tire jack. You just put it in here, lock it on there, and then there's a lockdown screw. You just put this on. You just screw that on. And now it's secure. You just take it with you on the road.
A focus for 4WD Mechanics magazine is the new product showcase. Here, we find the latest products on display. Our focus is utility, repairs, and service. For off-road purposes, portable tire inflators are popular. This one was a SEMA show winner. Battery tender products have saved me a small fortune over time in extending battery life. Many exhibitors offer service and utility equipment for the automotive service industry. Smaller niche items like rust aid are popular at the SEMA show. Body shops can benefit from this tool, a plastic welder that uses hot air. Nova Winch builds a quality winch product for the popular and competitive winching industry. These jacks are for leveling a rooftop tent on an overlanding off-road vehicle. These unique sway bar disconnect links from Fox earned a #1 place among the new 4x4 accessories for off-road use. Pacific Performance Engineering displayed this custom oil pan for late Ford Super Duty models. The aim is to keep 6.2-liter and 7.3-liter exhaust heat away from the 10-speed transmission. I was amazed to find that Hot Rod Alley and Vintage Air offer this full air conditioning, heating, and defroster system for 1986 to 1991 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Chevrolet square-body trucks get plenty of attention at the SEMA show. Here's a complete steering column from Flaming River. If you're serious about preventing dry starts in any engine, this Pareto Point wet start system will prime the engine before you attempt to crank it. This add-on vapor canister works with any fuel system that vents to atmosphere. Vintage or race vehicles would be candidates. This is a handy and thorough set of extractor sockets. For custom engine fitment, this can't be beat. It's a mock-up of a V8 engine. This is a Solo Swap Gen 5 LT V8 mock-up from Speedway Motors. Also from Speedway Motors is the Block Dock engine lifting plate for Chevrolet LT5 engines. For 4-liter Jeep engine builders, this inline 6-cylinder Edelbrock cylinder head cast in aluminum is the ideal replacement. 4.6-liter stroker engine builders who want to go all out, this is the cylinder head. When Toyota TRD gets involved, these rear control arms for a Tundra are extremely well built. Note the quality difference. These arms are made from forged billet aluminum. Again, Toyota makes a lift kit for the 4Runner. Top quality components that TRD puts its name on. Like the other TRD kits, the Tacoma kit is pure quality. The target market is late model. Synergy Manufacturing makes high quality Jeep lift kits and high performance chassis parts. This kit for the late JT is a triangulated 4-link rear suspension system. Synergy also makes this Ford Super Duty axle conversion for the JLU and JT models. This Jeep conversion has become popular with 1-ton Ford axles fitted to the Jeep chassis. The intention with this kit is to save builders and installers a massive amount of grinding, welding, fitting, and sizing up the geometry for proper steering with this axle installed in the Jeep chassis. For the ultimate gooseneck towing, this CURT kit, the Helix, is the ticket. Note the coil spring and shock absorber system. While we're towing and hooking up, it might be a good idea to use this camera with a joystick. You can dial in the view. This is a retrofit axle for a GM F-body car employing a Ford Type 9-inch axle. Note the center member and use of a torque arm. SEMA new products come in all sizes. This is probably the biggest one, a frame alignment deck for body shops that won a runner-up position at the 2025 SEMA show. This fixturing platform is designed for heavier vehicles. Power sports, especially UTVs, have become popular in the automotive aftermarket. Motorcycles are also picking up prominence at the SEMA show. This new Evel Knievel edition of the Triumph Rocket 3 is one of 250 built that are currently available. This motorcycle was popular at the SEMA New Product Showcase. Triumph knows its American consumers. This model will hold value. The Harley-Davidson M8 engine, the late 121 cubic inch version, is considered plenty of power by most people. ProCharger Superchargers took this to the next level with a supercharging system for the 2024-2025 model. 75% more horsepower than stock will get you a SEMA Blue Ribbon at the New Product Showcase. For dirt motorcycle enthusiasts who transport their bikes or anyone transporting a motorcycle, Z-Track was very popular. Following E-Track technology, the system works well for securing motorcycles. The Z-Track Moto Chalk took home a SEMA First Place Blue Ribbon.